Hi, teachers. If you're doing a virtual Meet the Teacher night, or if you're doing video newsletters for your parents, or even if you want to do a screen recording or a little bit of video instruction for your students to share in your virtual classroom, Flipgrid Shorts is a really great, easy to use tool. It lets you produce standalone video clips. So to show how easy it is, I'm going to make this entire instructional video in Flipgrid Shorts. So here we go. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do as a teacher is go to flipgrid.com and you are going to look for the login button. Now, if you're a Google Workspace for Education user, which many school divisions are, or if you're a Microsoft Education user, which some school divisions are in Alberta as well, you can choose either login through Microsoft or Google. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to get sort of a landing page of Flipgrid. And what's different about Flipgrid Shorts is this. With a regular Flipgrid activity, you create a little video prompt for students and then they respond with their webcams. That's not what this is. Flipgrid Shorts will let you create your own standalone video clip that you can use. So we're going to look in the upper right hand corner and click on Shorts. And you'll see that I've made a few here before, but I'm just going to look for this blue button up here to make a new short. It's going to load up my webcam here. It's going to look a little weird because I've got doing a screen recording down there. Got my webcam here. Hello. All right. So this can be as simple, if you want to do a short little video message, it can be as simple as hitting that little circle to start recording. Now we can jazz it up quite a bit here, and I'll give you a couple examples how we can do that. If you want to use a different background, there's loads of different colorful backgrounds. It will kind of read around your head. It's not perfect, you can see. But one thing that works pretty well is the blur. So if you are in a location where you just don't need your parents to see all the details of that location, and you just want them to focus on you, you can choose that blur. Now, I always recommend when you're starting these types of things, even if you wanted to do a screen recording, which shows some presentation slides or your class website or anything else, start off with a little video intro like this. What's really awesome about Flipgrid Shorts is that you can do multiple short clips. We don't have to start from scratch next time. So I'm just going to hit the record button. 3, 2, 1 gives me a little countdown. Welcome, parents. This is Mr. Moss, and welcome to a virtual Meet the Teacher. I really wish we could see each other in person today, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Grade 5 program that I run. So you can start, click the little circle button, kind of pause it again, and you can hit next, and it'll give you a little preview. So let's say you like that. Well, I can do up to a 10-minute video here. So this was only a minute or so. So I'm going to just hit add more. And this is what I really like about Flipgrid Shorts, because you can keep adding more of these short little clips. Now, in the next scenario, I want to jazz it up a little bit. So instead of just doing my own webcam, I want to do a little bit of a screen recording. And I've still got 9 minutes and 48 seconds to go on my screen recording. So where you find that is down here in the options. See the little dots there? So you're just going to click on options, and there are loads of options. But I'm going to choose record screen. So it's going to tell me which camera, which microphone, I make the right choices. Now, if you have multiple webcams, or sorry, if you have multiple screens, it will ask you to choose. So in this case, I'm going to choose this other screen to share. It's my class website. I'm going to hit share, and here we go, 3, 2, 1. So now I'm over here on my class webpage, and I can go through and I can describe the different pieces of my class website, and I can be narrating it with video as we go. So whenever I'm ready, I can just go back to my Flipgrid tab in my browser and choose stop recording. Now it'll start playing right back from the beginning, but I want to see now how I have two little clips there. Now I'm going to click over to this. All right. Now, normally it would show my webcam in there just like you're seeing on here. And the reason it hasn't is because I'm already doing in Flipgrid Shorts a screen recording. But normally you would see just in the bottom right there, you'd see your own embedded webcam, just kind of like you're seeing in here. So you can trim off the edges if you wish to. Um, no problem. Click confirm. Now you've got two clips. You can keep going like this as long as you want. So you can rearrange, you can drag one before the other, you can trim off edges. Let's say I'm good to go now. You're going to hit next. And the final thing to do is to confirm a cover photo for this. Now it will just pick a random um, picture of your face from the video. If you want to select a particular frame from your video to be your cover photo, no problem. But if you'd like, you can also just take a selfie. So I'm just going to do that. And again, if you want to choose these blur or a fun background, and I just click the little thing there to do this is my selfie. All right. Nobody really likes to see themselves in a selfie, am I right? So here's my cover photo. So I could describe it. Meet the teacher, Mr. Moss, grade 5. So confirming my cover photo and hit confirm. Now it's uploading my video to Flipgrid. This is super cool. So I can now share it in a lot of different ways. And the easiest way is just to share it through, just copy this link and you can email it to parents and there you go. Another option you have is a QR code. Now, if you save this, you can print it off or put it in another digital file. And when they scan, we've all done in restaurants where we're scanning with our phones, the QR code. And what that'll do is when I scan this, I'm going to do it on my own screen here. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's opening it up. And there's my video ready to go. So parents could just watch that. It's very easy. So whether you use the QR code, you can download and save it. Or if you prefer, just hit the copy button and copy that link. Now, if you're doing this for students, the Google Classroom and the Microsoft Teams buttons might work. And if you really want to, like, if you want to put it on YouTube or somewhere else, you can just download the video file. But I just like this part. So in closing, Flipgrid Shorts, you get a 10-minute video. You can make it in short clips. You can do your webcam with different backgrounds or blur, and you can also add in clips from screen recording. So super easy, 10-minute long videos, highly recommended. Thanks for watching.